You look so warm near the house. I love you, yeah. In the morning. And yun guys, I hope you all good. This is the last step of the day. So I hope